Simple! Simple! There. You see? A president that listens. But go swallow your pride. Talk to your citizens. Jagaban has spoken. We should keep our mind at rest. Simple! We are not asking.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ ń bá mi pàdé rèé, ẹ bá mi like, ẹ comment, ẹ share, kẹ́ subscribe. Àwọn ohun tí ẹ máa wò lórí ìkànnì yìí, ohun ni àwọn ohun tí ó ń lọ láwùjọ wa tó sì máa kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n. Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ.
Leaders will go back home. And summon the leadership meeting. Pretend that I'm there. Or pretend that I'm absent. Because you are still going to give me a feedback. You are going to work as a one group committee. Thank God all the previous governors, former governors are alive and you are here. Thank you for the respect. And call one another. Ignore the governors committee if you have to, or you incorporate them. Take that white paper or the gazette that you have. Go through it among yourselves. And agree to implement those white papers. Any naughty issue, bring it back. Now, to the legislators who are here, we are going to work together to establish state police. On a national scale. And I believe once we have a state police, enforcement of laws and others will take care of some of these problems. For us to stop creating widows, widowers, orphans, there must be peace. I've had His Royal Majesty mentioning some roads and all that, and the question of the airport and the developments that are necessary to be embarked upon by the federal government. We do that. That's no problem. It is very tough to develop if you don't have a peace. And then we, as the president, order you to go back home of Abuja. You have been appointed as the committee for peace. Go and search for it, look for it, resolve any additional steps that you want the government to take. And if you identify and you know the name of troublemakers, agent provocateurs, who want to continue killing or instigate killing, let us know. We use the instrument of office to deal with them. The path is to work with you, find a lasting peace to the problem so that we can develop and bring prosperity to the people together. It is crucial. And it's in your hand now, Mr. Governor. Lead your people back home. Lead your people to them. Forget those committees you mentioned to me. If it's not working, it's not working. Consider this group as the committee until you find a lasting solution. If the ones that you have chosen before now, you have to mix it and amend membership, you have to recruit more from non-indigenous into your government. If we have to find money to develop jingles and campaign tones that will eliminate discrimination and conflict and killings, we can develop it together and get on the radio. Listen to the youth. Listen to what they've said. Use them. We work with you. To the leadership, thank you very much. Thank you. May God give us peace. Amen. Set us on the right path. Amen. To prosperity. Amen. Thank you.
Vice President Kashim Shettima, well done. The Chief of Staff, Your Eminence, the Sultan of Sokoto, ably represented by Eshinope, my brother co-chair, the Onirisha, the Oni of Ife, the Khan, ably represented by their brother, Your Royal Highnesses, Your Royal Majesties, distinguished leaders of faith present tonight, revered leaders of our faith communities, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is a very great honor with gratitude to God Almighty that I stand before you as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and I feel enlightened and happy for your presence here. Simple call to break bread and thank God together. We thank him, and I thank you sincerely. Thank your cultural value, your institutional resilience, your belief, the fact that we have a situation that coincides with one another, the fasting period the land, and we share in the faith, belief, and prayers that this country, Nigeria, belongs to each and every one of us. And our strength is in our diversity. Our joy is the fact that we have a nation. Our challenge, yes, we are challenged. Terrorism, banditry, the fear gripping our families, but the belief that this nation has never surrendered its value, its conscience to the marauders, to not do wells, that this nation is a nation of believers and greatness in faith and value, that this nation is yours and will be protected, that we belong in each other. We have faith in one God, Almighty, the Creator. You've traveled far and wide. You've been here, which is not for anything else, but for the love of a nation, the respect for authority, that you share the evening with your president. Thank you very much. I'm just grateful. One person among millions that is given the opportunity to serve you. And all I can do is promise that I will continue to faithfully discharge the duty. I can report back to you that the economy has turned the corner. It's getting better. Pensioners are getting their reliefs gradually. We have saved Nigeria from being bankrupt. It is very, very daunting and very challenging when we took over. But today, I can say with pride and joy that we are surviving. No governor in this country, in any of your states, is now running around the bank to borrow money to pay salary of their workers. None. My duty is further investment in agriculture, development, education of your children, so that I can hand over a better nation to them, to see whether I've left an history for them to write and be proud of. It is my duty to do that. And only with your blessing, with your prayers, I'm sharing with you every moment of it tonight. Please continue that prayer. Yes, we are challenged. The terrorists, they are very desperate now because they are getting barraged and defeated. They leave traces of blood in their fields. But I assure you one thing, Nigeria will never surrender. We are not deterred. We're going to win and win well. Your joy shall not be short-lived. It will live with us and prolong our lives. As you move from here going back home, you will go back safely, happily, in good health. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
nǹkan lọ kú sínú ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn bandit ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní ẹ lágbára tó ń bá dé ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ń ṣe máa gbọ́ skri bíbíbíbí skru bàbàbà bòbòròbòbò tó bòbòròbòbò tán bàbàbàbà tẹ́wọ̀ tẹ́bọ̀ sakra bàbàbà tán tán níbo ni tàntàn yìí wà àwọn agbára tẹ́ fi ń wọ àwọn adetí tẹ́ fi ń wọ àwọn arọsàn ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ní wẹ́ràdé. Same to all of you. Ojú tì yín. Ẹ ò mọ Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run ò mọ yín. Bíbélì sọ wípé kì í ṣe irú àìwẹ̀ yẹn lòun fẹ́. Àìwẹ̀ kẹ́ máa fi bí panú. Kì í ṣe irú yẹn lòun fẹ́. Àìwẹ̀ kẹ́ tó ọ̀já òdodo. Kẹ́ jẹ́ kí aninilára kó lọ lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́. Sáré.
Àti láti já gbogbo àjàgà. Kì í a ṣe láti fi oúnjẹ rẹ fún àwọn tí ebi ń pa. Àti kí ìwọ kí ó mú àwọn òtòṣì tí a tì sóde wá sí ilé rẹ. Nígbà tí ìwọ bá rí arìnhòhò, kí ìwọ kí ó bò ó. Kí ìwọ kí ó máa fi ara rẹ pamọ́ kúrò lọ́dọ̀ ẹran ara tirẹ̀.
Kí ìwọ kí o má fi ara rẹ pamọ́ kúrò lọ́dọ̀ ẹran ara tirẹ̀. Tó bá rí arìnhòhò kó dáṣọ bò. Àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọdé wà nínú igbó fún 17 days now. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ pera yín ní èèyàn Ọlọ́run. Pastor, àfáà, president, governor, rep, ẹ̀dẹ̀ lọ́mọ sílé. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń sùn, ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń jí. Ẹ̀rí ọkàn yóò sọ fún yín pé ẹ jẹ́ ká wá àkọsí sírù kan báyìí. Ẹ ò bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run tí ẹ ń pariwo ẹ ò mọ̀. Ìbẹ̀rù ò sí lọ́kàn yín. You don't believe in the God. You are just using your mouth to shout God. Ọlọ́run kò sí nínú ọkàn yín.
Èmi àmọ́ rìn lọ lórí ìrìn tí lè mọ kọ̀mándì ìbọn rìn tí bá bínú tán. Kì í ṣe fíìmù o, kì í ṣe action o, tí bá ń lọ ibìkan. Èmi àmọ́ múra lọ́wọ́. Bóyá bá lóun fẹ́ mọ̀ mí, èmi àmọ́ fara hàn án. Lórí àmọ̀ pé mi tá ń bọ̀ lẹ́nìí, ẹ lè lẹ́ fẹ́ mọ̀ wá. Èyí àwọn ọmọ tó lè pé tó bá sùn ó rí a.